How to buy and flip houses for beginners. HowExpert with Amy Flanders. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. How to buy and flip houses for profit shows you how to flip a house, beginning with your research in your area for potential flips and ending with making your profit by selling your house. These steps provide tips and examples with which how to quickly and efficiently flip a house and make a nice-sized profit. These steps include the following: explaining where to research for the possible properties, selecting the ideal flip based on location, price, and the amount of possible profit, setting a budget and what to include in that budget, choosing the right materials for the different types of houses, deciding the best people to do the work, completing the project by adding the finishing touches, and selling your house to make the biggest profit. The key things to remember in flipping a house is to pick a house that only needs updating and not repairs. Repairs are more costly. Also, remember when you are flipping, this is not going to be your house. You are updating the house so that it is in the condition to sell and is as up to date as the other houses in the neighborhood. About the expert. I began flipping houses about 4 years ago. The time it took to flip each house depended on the situation. I relied on my workers, friends, and family to help with each flip. With 3 flips under my belt, I feel like I know how to flip a house using the best materials but still adhering to my budget. I also have put together a team of workers who are experts in their craft. With each flip, I get a better idea of how to flip houses. So, you are constantly learning with every flip. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.